let's talk about geology and its importance in civil engineering. But first, what is geology? Coming from the Greek word geo, which means earth, and logos, which means study, geology is the study of the earth. It is the study of the solid earth, the materials of which it is made, the structure of those materials, and the natural forces acting upon it. It is the science that pursues an understanding of the planet Earth. However, this does not focus on the rocks, but all the processes that happens including erosions, volcanic eruptions, oceans, rivers, landslides, and more. So now, what is the importance of geology in civil engineering?
First, geology provides necessary information about the site. It can be used in the construction of buildings, dams, highways, and bridges. So before constructing a building or any other infrastructure, civil engineers need to gather geological information about the site. And this is very important when it comes to planning a design or constructing phase of a project. For this reason, there might be erosional or geological processes that can cause the stability of the foundation. Thus, the selection of site is very essential based from the point of stability of the foundation.
Number 2. Geological maps also help in planning projects. When it comes to its importance, geological map is helpful considering when we are planning an engineering project. Because if ever there are geologic features such as faults or joints that might be encountered, essentially, the engineer will just provide or will just incorporate remedies so that the project would be stable.
3. Engineering geology helps engineers to understand properly as it assists them properly to plan a project. Through planning, it won't be hard for engineers to carry out a detailed survey because if we conduct a pre-survey in a certain area, it reduces the cost of planning works and at the same time.
Engineering geology helps ensure safe and cost-effective design of construction projects. In construction, the main objective is to protect life and property from the damage caused by different geological conditions, especially in earthquake-prone areas. That is why having a full knowledge of geology will increase the strength, stability, and the durability of the engineering project.
So, how does geological drawbacks plays a major role in construction failure? Geological factors plays an important role in civil engineers' structures. A few failures have occurred due to lack of knowledge and negligence. There are many incidents of destruction in the structures due to civil engineers' failures. A few are:
First, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It is in Italy, also known as the Bell Tower. It was first built in 1173 and after two long breaks, it was completed in 1360. The unstable soil material has caused the heavy tower to sink up to 30 to 40 centimeters on one side.
The collapse of the St. Francis Dam, which was a concrete gravity dam in Los Angeles during the 1920s. The lack of instrumentation knowledge and geological findings which led to the collapse of this dam.
So now we have the number 3, the collapse of Tacoma Narrow Bridge. In 1940, this narrow, graceful suspension bridge was built to connect Kitsap Peninsula to Tacoma, Washington. The bridge collapsed within 4 months of opening due to civil engineering failures.
So now, we are all informed about the primary importance of civil engineering in the scope of geology, including its drawbacks in terms of construction failures. And just to recap, engineering geology is the application of geology to engineering studies to ensure that the geological factors related to the location, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of engineering works are recognized and is taken into account. However, with the lack of instrumentation knowledge and geological factors, it may lead to the collapse of any infrastructures. Thus, an engineer really must always include investigating how Earth or Earth processes affect human-made structures and human activities. Thank you.
Someday we'll have our last conversation and drink our last cup of coffee. Someday we might be 80 and think about the different things we used to say all